Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to remove lint buildup from your dryer. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for removing a buildup of lint that has accumulated in your dryer. Let's get right into the video. So I am actually in the process of cleaning out my dryer vent right there, but when you are cleaning your dryer vent, you should also be cleaning out the lint that is built up inside of the dryer. Because what happens is lint sometimes gets built up inside of the dryer. I'm gonna give you an example right now. I'm gonna remove the lint filter, okay? Now you should most definitely clean the lint filter after every single load. So, before I put in the next load, I will clean the lint filter. And that will allow me to reduce the lint buildup in the dryer. But even if you clean it every single time, like I do, you're still gonna get some lint. If you take a look right there, you can see that there is actually some lint built up right in there, okay? So there's actually two options to do this. The first is gonna be to use a vacuum attachment like this. So I have my shop vac here, and this is an attachment that basically is just a thin piece that can be inserted into the lint trap area over there, okay? And we're gonna use this along with this little brush that also fits in there to loosen everything up. Now both of those actually came in this kit right here. This is the kit that I got for the dryer lint removal, and it allows you to manually get rid of the lint that is in the vent as well as in the buildup in the dryer itself. So that's the first option. But if you don't have those things, if you don't want to, if you don't want to get those tools, then what you can do is you can actually remove the screen right here. So I'm going to take the camera, I'm going to just sort of bring it inside of the dryer. I'm going to try and give you a view of this. So right here you can see this is where the lint sort of passes through. And inside of here you have your lint screen that I pulled out, okay? So the lint screen will go inside of there, just like that, okay? So what you want to do is, like I said, you want to remove the lint screen, and over here, I'm gonna just move my own camera screen so I get a better view of what I'm showing you. So over here, as you can see, okay, there's gonna be more than likely some sort of like 2 or 3 screws. So there's one screw over here, and there's actually one screw right over here, okay? And what I would do is I would remove those screws. Now, they might be there or they might be here. So this is on the front. So there are 2 screws actually here that are holding it in place, okay? So you might have 2, 3, 4, or even 6 screws. And what that will allow you to do is that will allow you to actually remove this screen. And when you remove this screen, okay, you can vacuum out any lint buildup. And then remember that when you reinstall the screen, again, you got to make sure you do the exact, opposite. Like, it has to make sense. To reinstall, it's going to be the opposite of what you did to remove it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the shop vac. We're going to sort of insert that piece in here. We're going to vacuum up whatever we can from in there, and we'll see if we need that brush right there. So I'm going to turn on the shop vac. We're going to try and vacuum up any lint, just like this. So obviously you're not going to be able to hear me talk, so let's listen to the shop vac. All right. So you take this, insert it right in there, like that, okay? Just like that. Just like that. All right, so as you can see, we've already done a pretty good job, I have to say. We've removed, I'd say, almost all of the lint in there. Side note, you should definitely unplug your dryer before you do this, just for safety, okay? So now that I've done that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert this brush just to really make sure that we've removed all the lint. So this is just gonna loosen up whatever's remaining right there, just like that. All you gotta do is just give it a quick scrub. Look at that, see, look, so even the brush itself already removed something for me. So the brush itself will help because it's got some pretty coarse bristles, which is going to allow it to pick up any lint also in there. So once again, I'm just using the brush. We're loosening everything up, okay? And what we're going to do now is we're going to go with the vacuum one more time. I'm going to try and go a little bit deeper because I do see some additional lint down there. We're going to try and reach that extra lint buildup. All right. All the way down there, all the way to the bottom we're going. Just like that. Just like that. All right, you know what, let's just get this too. All right, so as you can see right now, it is much cleaner. And I will tell you that that lint that I just cleaned up, if I didn't clean that lint buildup, it would have eventually made its way, because it's on the other side. It would have potentially been on the other side of the lint trap, the side after the lint trap with regards to the airflow. It would have made its way up into the venting system, and it would potentially get caught in that dryer vent, which would accumulate and then eventually restrict airflow, and then, you know, dryer vents overheating with lint in them is a big cause of house fires. So you should be cleaning your dryer vent regularly, but whenever you clean your dryer vent, or as often as you can, just peek into there. Clean your lint filter, your lint trap, every single time you do a load of laundry. Every single time. In addition, just peek in there, see what's going on. If you see a buildup of lint, either remove that screen and just, you know, vacuum it up, or get the attachment. I would recommend getting the attachment because it's going to save you tons of time. When you work out the cost of this, it's relatively cheap. You know, if you use it once a month, or even once every 6 months, I mean, it's not going to go bad. It's going to last you for a long time, so it's worth it, in my opinion, for the amount of time that you're saving if you value your time. But that's it. That is how to remove lint buildup in a dryer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.